the base map on this lovely grey EP3. I'm eating polos. What you got, Rich? Do you want a polo?
Yeah, go on, I'll have one with
you. Okay. They're sugar free. Yeah, mate.
Cheers, mate.
It's the mint with a hole.
Is it? I had one of these in years. I had one of these like since my grandma was alive.
They're not as good as they used to be because obviously they're sugar free. So they're a bit, they're like eating wash it up powder. Not that I do that, if anyone's thinking that, that's what I do. This one made 205 in standard for mate.
But it's got quite a few mods on this car though, ain't it? So a really aggressive dip and lack of power bottom end, so I expect to see quite a substantial increase here.
Substantial, I like it.
Yeah.
I like the confidence. Has it got a goldfish though in the stereo?
No goldfish. Nothing's ever going to top that.
I know. Okay, so the EP3 had its stock run and it made 205 brake horsepower. This is a stunning car, isn't it? Look at that. That is not cosmic grey. It is a Vauxhall colour, I believe, but it certainly looks beautiful. So 205 to beat, Richard. Spank it.
Different angle again.
I know. Oh, I like to swap the angles and positions, mate.
Oh dear.
It keeps it interesting for me.
Okay. Wow.
It's not love unless it hurts. Right.
Right, sure, that's a conversation I want to get into.
Beautiful EP3 Civic.
Yeah, and a VW.
Is it VW? I thought it was Vauxhall.
Well, basically like a primer grey colour. Looks lovely. It's
Yeah,
not the first I've seen in a very similar colour, but yeah, it looks nice. Looks like Keith sold one, doesn't it?
Yes, Keith. I remember that one. That was nice.
Originally a black car apparently. Got some modifications on this car, so we've got a Skunk 2 Ultra Series manifold, got TypeR airbox, the pillar box as I call it. We've got a sort of Jap Speed 4:1 manifold, and we have got the TypeR 70mm catback system.
They still really well, mate.
Yeah, came in, graph all over the place as they generally are when they've obviously got mods and they're on the standard map, which
205,
which you expect. Ran 205, finished up on 235. You know, lovely smooth graph, really smoothed it out, sorted the fueling out. You know, a whopping great transformation. Should really
feel amazing.
Feel the difference for the map for sure. Yeah, lovely little car. Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, we it dropped some bombs whilst I decided I was gonna make my video of it flaming crouching down. That was a mistake.
How did that go for you?
That was a mistake. I felt it.
Well, we'll see what they look like
see
on the video. Yeah,
so when you've obviously just watched the flavour bit, so you might have heard me scream.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, let's have a look at the graph.
Well,
as we always say, red line is as you came in, blue line is as it leaves. Plenty of power across the rev range. In the mid-range there, we've got a 62 brake horsepower gain, which is not to be sniffed at, is it? On the track, that would make all the difference. Revved it out a little bit further, take 6, lower the Vtec a little bit, and as you can see, we finish on 235 brake horsepower, which is 190 at the wheels. So yeah, fantastic. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Find us on Facebook if you can and say hello. We always post stuff on Facebook. Instagram, you can find us on Instagram. You can find myself, you can find Rich on Instagram. Yeah.
What's your Instagram now?
My Instagram is Dynodaze Performance Parts.
Mine is Richard.Ellis79.
Richard.Ellis79 if you want to find us on Instagram. Obviously, you're watching this on YouTube, so do hit the notification bell to see all of our videos. But we've enjoyed this one, ain't we, Rich? It's a nice car.
Yeah, it is. Really
and I've got a nice photograph of it in front of the wall for my collection. So we'll see you on the next one, won't we, mate?
You will indeed.
You will indeed.